Is it possible to control the mind of another human being? Can you take over another company or an entire country with the weapons of neuroscience, or by spreading fake news about a vicious pandemic that's taking over our planet? Sound familiar? What is mind control, scientifically speaking, besides the wolf-messing method of controlling small crowds? The history of our public relations firm is quite different from anything you can imagine. All of us at Alpha Corporate Sales have a background in psychology and neuroscience. Since 1997, we've been helping companies acquire new customers by using revolutionary neuro-linguistic science combined with marketing. So we called it Neuromarketing. Today, it's used by many multinational corporations, politicians, and lobbyists. But what exactly is neuromarketing, and how does it work? Neuromarketing is a highly specialized field of mind control used in marketing that is based on the latest discoveries in neuropsychology that identifies specific communication inside the brain that is responsible for making the buying decision during the sales process, during the process of looking for a product in a sales setting, or in politics, it makes a person support a certain political movement or ideology. Today, we know how to control the minds of millions of people globally by targeting and stimulating a specific area of the brain to ensure that the target audience will respond in a predictable way once presented with our neuromarketing material. It's all around us if you look very closely. That's the science behind our proprietary neuromarketing advertising and public relations campaigns. That's why we called it neuromarketing. It's like having a remote control that is controlling the minds of people we are targeting. In fact, we are the pioneers in the field of neuromarketing used widely for public relations, video marketing, corporate advertising, enterprise sales training, and of course, political propaganda. Our methodology of client acquisition is powerful and yet quite subtle and is different from traditional sales and marketing. We understand how the human brain makes its decisions and what triggers the buying signal, and we use it extensively in all of our public relations and advertising campaigns. Over the last 20 years, we've helped hundreds of Fortune 500 companies, entrepreneurs, inventors, salespeople, and small business owners acquire new customers in a unique way that allowed them to consistently grow their sales and dramatically scale and expand their operation. Today, we are the only business consulting firm in the world that specializes in using neuromarketing for effective public relations and advertising. We offer neuromarketing services that consistently generate sales or customer leads for companies that want to grow their business anywhere in the world. If you would like to learn if our neuromarketing could help you dominate your field, contact us for a brief informal conversation to see if we could do business together. We welcome all international inquiries. And remember, only a phone call separates you now from growing your sales or remaining where you are. Will you make that call? Of course you will. How do we know that? Because you want to grow your business. You're a smart risk taker. And we'd like to have you on board and hope to help you grow your sales and dominate your industry. Call us and let's talk about your goals 10 years from now. Alpha Corporate Sales, helping companies grow.